Hi guys, this is 15 Indiana Jones again, and today I'm going to show you my Pokemon Spirit. Pokemon Spirit I made by Giratina. Oh, wait. There, Groudon. And Kyogre. So, first you'll get print. You can click down there and search print. First you click there and click so you can do like this, and you take that text off and you zoom in so it's 400%, and taking off this arm. You got to be careful so you don't make bad, because you're going to take this off later. So now take it off and remove it, and you take off the head too. First you take this trash off. When you start here, and make a ring around Kyogre and delete, and go to Groudon, take off that text. Just to get these pictures you'll search at Groudon Pokédex. So you'll get this picture. First you'll start to take off his head. I took off that red things hanging from his head because he's getting much more cooler then. And take that off. Remove. And move like that. So that, and taking his arm off too. So, like that. And take off his leg. So, like that. So, and the tail. So you just need to do it like this. No, wait, I do it wrong. Take off the trash. You just have to zoom out and take. So I do like this. So you have his head, arm, leg and tail. Now you come to Giratina. Take off his wings. This is actually kind of easy. You don't need to be so careful here. So, and delete. Oh, and delete. And wait, just going to watch one thing. So, take off his leg, just this leg. So, delete. Like that. And take off his head. Like that. And take off his tail too. Like that. So it looks like this. And now you take his arm. You need to do this because if you don't do this here too, so it will be very white on the Giratina and when it will looks like bad. So just the whole Giratina character will disappear. So, and just don't remove the trash because when you need to do this again, remake it. So just make the arm. Wait. Yeah, make the arm a bit smaller. Not, oh wait, like that, and put the arm there, like that, and now you can remove the trash. And taking his head off. It don't mind if just a little white is getting on with it, but not very much. Just a little white can be like that. And making his, oh wait, oh wait, I need to remake it. Like that. Like that. So now you just doing the head a bit smaller, like that. So, no, wait, a bit smaller. Wait, I'm going to watch how small the head will be. Yeah, like that. And remove the trash. And take the food. Yeah. Just make it a bit easy. Wait, I'm going to watch the like that. Take the root and like that and like that. So you'll get the leg. Looks like that. Smaller. No, not like that small. Okay. Now the leg is kind of CP. Okay, just don't do that with the leg. I'll take the tail now. Just don't make the leg too little, because when your leg will be like a freak, like freaking out. But I already made one, so this is not the one I'm going to show you later. This just, I'm showing how to do him. And make the tail a bit smaller. Not too small, not too big. Maybe like that. I'm going to watch. Like that. Yeah, that will be perfect. And now you take the Kyogre parts. Whoops. Like that. Okay, wait, I'm just... Okay, guys, now I fix him like that. So now I'll just fix the tail here. Click at the pencil up there, and there, like that. And look at there at the Giratina, so you'll just write like that. Like that, and like this. Like that. Now it's looking very cool, but just a fail about the leg. So actually I'm just going to delete this guy now, because now I'm going to show you the real one with the foot. Like that. Bum 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 bum. Ta-da! You see, this is kind of more good. So, we're taking the Giratina's body, take off his head, tail, wings and leg, and putting the Rayquaza's tail on. Oh crap, what the hell happened? Sorry for that. Putting Groudon's tail there, and Groudon's leg there, and Groudon's arm, Groudon's head, and Kyogre's head and Kyogre's arm. So, don't forget to save. His name is going to be Kyogre. So save. Yeah, and now I'll put it in YouTube. There. And put it there. Ta-da! So, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Bye.